Hello everyone, welcome to Service Deluxe. Are you craving for pizza? And maybe you are far away from the fast food shops? You can grab this simple recipe and make your own pizza at home. This is a very delicious pizza. You can see that crust, it's very crusty and it's yummy with lots of cheese. This is a simple recipe. Anybody can make it at home. Without further ado, can we get started? Let's make pizza dough. In a mixing bowl, sift your all-purpose flour. If you are coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to watch the video up to the end. Here I share detailed recipe step by step. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add your yeast, that is 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon. Then mix them and create a well there. Add your lukewarm water and mix it well. Add salt. Add water gradually until it comes together to form a dough. Add some oil. Continue kneading until it forms a dough. We are making a dough like a chapati one here. If you find it a bit sticky, add some flour and give it a good knead until it's not sticky anymore, but don't make it too firm. Would you mind giving me a thumbs up? Support my channel. Thank you. Transfer the dough in a flat surface and grease your mixing bowl. Take it back and cover it with a plastic wrap, and we'll let it rise for about 1 hour. Cover with a kitchen towel. We'll time it for 60 minutes. Let's make pizza sauce. Pizza sauce is easy to make, but if you don't have that time, you can as well buy from the supermarket. I will make mine. I will use some tomatoes and 1 clove of garlic. So I'll just slightly boil my tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are done, you will see the outer part trying to come out. That one will lessen my work. Just put them aside and let it cool. I will use 1 clove of garlic. I'll crush it. And I have pili pili, dry pili pili, oregano. I have cumin seeds, and I have mint leaves, dry mint leaves, yeah. So I'll just peel my tomatoes and then I'll grate it. Fry my onions finely sliced, and then add in my crushed garlic. Stir it a little and don't let it burn. Then add in your seasoning. This is a peri peri sauce. Also, and my grated tomatoes there. I'll add in tomato paste. add in paprika, some sugar to activate the acid in tomato, some salt, and finally I'll add in a little bit of tomato sauce. Let it simmer until it thickens up. I'm adding in cayenne pepper. This is a peri peri sauce, so I want it hot. It's done. That way, put aside. Let's make pizza toppings. We are doing chicken pizza here, and it's a peri peri chicken. I'm using chicken breast, so I'm just going to season it. Slightly slice it, and then I'll just season it. I have black pepper, cayenne, and some cumin seeds, and salt and paprika. So I'll just rub them, give the chicken some massage, and add some lemon, and make sure you remove the seeds of the lemon. Rub it a little more and add in vegetable oil. I'm going to air fry mine. You can pan fry it. Just arrange them in the air fryer basket and air fry them. Of course, you know we are making pizza, so we need cheese. There we go. Grate your cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese, so I'll grate them and put them aside as I prepare other toppings. We're going to use onions, bell pepper, or hoho, or do you call it capsicum? And don't forget, we are making peri peri pizza. So of course, we need some chili. So I'm slicing the pili pili a little smaller. My chicken is ready. Just going to shred them. I'll cut them like not very thin, but a better size for pizza. Guys, if you're clicking this video for the first time, if you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing, help me grow, and press the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to get notified. And don't forget to like the video, help me grow so that it can reach so many audience. Thank you. Done shredding the chicken, so 1 hour is over and my pizza dough has doubled the size. As you can see, I'll just press it a little down to deflate the air bubbles and transfer it in my floured surface and just give it a final touch. I will roll my dough flat. I want a king size pizza here, so don't get surprised if you see my dough too big. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? And don't forget to subscribe. Let's assemble our pizza. So I'll use this tray. I've lined it with parchment paper. Just trying to pull my pizza dough to cover the tray. Then prick the pizza dough with the fork so that it doesn't puff so much when cooking. That way you are releasing the air. Apply the pizza sauce. Just spread it evenly, and don't spread it to the edges. Somebody once asked me, can pizza be made at home? Oh yes! Now you can do the pizza at home, only with the help of the Sabi Delix recipe. Then go in with your grated cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. Apply it. Then go in with your shredded chicken. This is our peri peri pizza. Ow, I'm salivating already. It looks yummy. Then go in with your other toppings. The finely sliced onions and some bell pepper. Just put it all over. Then go in with your pili pili, the chili that, then top it up with some cheese again. Now you see why I was overspreading that part. I will fold it in and it will give me a very nice crust and a little bit bumpy. My pizza is going to a preheated oven of 200 degrees centigrade for 10 to 12 minutes. Well, it's been in and out of the oven and we have a beautiful pizza there. Just look at it. So lovely. If you've watched this video up to this point, that means it's so helpful. It can help you. So please, please, please support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Just support my channel. If you like the video, it will help the YouTube family to push the video to so many audience. Thank you. Thank you for hanging out with me. I will see you in my next video. The pizza is so yummy. The cheese itself is mwah. Look at it. And I enjoyed it. Bye.